So I would like to work like a spinner who will take over the lost time by the fast bowlers. Uh, so this study is now published, courtesy Dr. Abhijat's writing skill. I have been talking about this for quite some time, and Dr. Anil knows about it. These are the two things we published were, one was the code to crack nucleus. Another thing was Chaturvedi chopstick grip. So whenever, today I was teaching to a FECO student, and I was telling her that actually before going in for FECO, you have to talk about incision planning and orientation. So I will skip these slides and I'll go on to this video. I hope it runs. Now suppose if this video doesn't run, 36 चैम्बर शाओलिन में वो जो मॉन्क था उसने एक खोला उसको, पहले वो स्ट्रेट से लड़ता था, फिर वो गया, उसने कहा क्या करें इसको, तो उसने एक नॉन चॉक टाइप का बना दिया, बीच से उसको काट दिया. ये क्लिप उसको दिखा रही थी. सो दैट चेंज द एंटायर पिक्चर ऑफ द फाइट. Just like if you just change your grip, your total attitude towards phacoemulsification will change. That is the basic point which I wanted to make in this. And again you see, I don't know whether these videos will run or not. Yeah.
Hi, today I am going to tell you about the Chaturvedi chopstick grip, and you will realize simple change of grip will make how much difference in your life. Normally we hold the phaco with a pen grip, so this is pen grip. If you hold it by pen grip, then the depth achieved is this. Now what I will do, I will change it to the chopstick grip. This is a pen grip, and I will now convert it to chopstick grip. By going chopstick, you can go deeper, and that's the beauty of this grip. Instead of a pen grip, you go chopstick. With this grip, you can go inside quite deep. You can go subincisionally, you can move around and rotate pretty well.
Yeah. So I think this video has told everything, and let me see if I can another video of a minute or so. So अभी run नहीं कर रहा ये. So basically what is happening, this idea has been taken by retina surgery, where the thing is, when we can work 3.5 millimeter away from limbus and operate the whole eye, why can't do this on limbus? So instead of making a 3-port phaco, we started doing 2-port phaco. And the way Macamar has told us to handle the grip of this vitrectomy probe, I have started using the phaco probe like that. So anyway, I think if this video doesn't run, my job is done. The way Macamar is using, asking you to hold a vitrectomy probe, if you hold it, the phaco probe like this, you can make deeper maneuvers. And that is Chaturvedi chopstick grip. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Balay sir.